Hello and welcome everyone in a new video in your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to download songs from Spotify in a very easy way. So let's get started. We go and open our Spotify account. By the way, to download the music, you must have premium account. So with the free account, you can download music. So after opening the app, you just need to go to any song that you want. For example, I'm going to the album of Adele, and I will choose, for example, the song Turning Tables. To download this song and listen to it without internet, just click on the three dots in front of the song name and click on download, the first choice. And as you can see, add it to your downloaded songs list. You can go to and click on your library. If you look at the bottom of the screen, you see your library. Click on it. And as you can see here, the first playlist is the downloaded songs playlist. And as you can see here, there is all the songs that I already downloaded. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and to like this video, and see you in the next one.